Today we are going to talk about router's identity. Identity we can discover the device or persons, alright. What is the identity of MikroTik router? Let's see what is the MikroTik router identity. If we go to the system, then there is an identity option. Then you can see actually this is the identity of this MikroTik router, right? And you can also see from here, right? Now if you are working in organizations, or if you want to set the identity name of your name, then just you can put your name here. Just I am giving here my name, then just apply to OK. Then you can see the router's identity changed, right? Thank you.